See, Kevin Gates, that's why they fucking tripping. That's why they tripping, because Misfire Red, they wonder how the fuck I'm riding. How the fuck I'm riding. How the fuck I'm riding in a drop top. How Misfire Red. So they want to say that bitch is a lemon. They a motherfucking lemon. Watch my motherfucking Lamborghini. You see that? See that? They want to know. They want to know. But they say I'm tripping. Angie tripping. Misfire Red tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Angie, I'm tripping. Real. Look, that's my car. See that drop top? See that Toyota? See that? See that? Gates. You see that? But Angie tripping. You see this? You see this? I'm in Lawtail. Yeah, niggas tripping. They wanna count. They wanna count me out. See that car? I bought that. I bought that. Home help. Home motherfucking help. With my motherfucking J-O-B. My income tax bought this motherfucking car. My income tax bought this motherfucking car. But I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Where's some fucking Angie tripping? They tripping. They tripping fucking with Misfire Red on the motherfucking track. I say, who that? Lil Red, living live on the track. They say, who that? Shorty Red, making money on the block. I said, the fire, the fire, the fire, fire red. With the fire, the fire, the fire, fire bread. Rasta, 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 bond red, huh? Shorty Red on the track, guess you running this shit. Appaloosas, what you know about Angie? So true in the street, if you play with me, nigga, the cartel's gonna come play with you. I say the 1 to the 2, now you know you're there. You should have never fucked with Misfire Red.